picked up the camera all day. Yeah, like I was saying, I went to Hobby Lobby because I told you guys I'm redoing the twins' room. They're first up on the list. Jaxson really needs his room done, but the twins are older. They're getting ready to be 13, so I want to redo their room. So I went to Hobby Lobby, and I went a little crazy in Hobby Lobby for no odd reason whatsoever, but trying to open up my blind so I can get some lighting in here. But there. So I got a whole bunch of, so if you have a Hobby Lobby near you, please run. Do not walk. Run to Hobby Lobby and look if you're looking for window treatment or curtain rods, or my hair's sticking up, curtain rods or whatever. I found curtain rods for the entire house for like $6 a piece. And if you know anything about curtain window treatments, because you see this big window right here, that's $100 and something, and I got that sucker for $7.50. So bought a whole bunch. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. And then I got curtains for Destiny. I got the names for the boys to go on their wall. I'm gonna show you guys everything I got. So from Hobby Lobby, I picked up these two, and so I got $20 off. So I saved $40 on these two. They're going on the windows. I'm gonna insert a clip of the windows that they're gonna go on. So I just got two of them, and they are 66 to 120. So decent size. I got two of these, and let me show you the price on these. $7.49. And I got two of them, and these are 66 to 120. One is for the front window, and the other one is for the twins' room, because they have the same window as the front. So I got two of those, and these were originally $30. Next, I got Destiny. This one I paid $6.24, and this one has, see that decorative detail right there? It has rose gold on it. It's so pretty. So that's for Destiny's room, and the only person I have left is Jaxson, but I didn't see one that would fit his room. I didn't see any, so I'm probably gonna go back and see if they stock anymore. And then I got this for the kitchen, and this was $3.24. Originally $12.99, and Destiny's was $24.99. So that's all the rods I got. Next up are these beautiful curtains. Look at that, guys, with the ruffle detail down here. These were $7.49, originally $30. So I got two of them. They only had two. So I'm thinking of putting these in Miss Destiny's room, because I'm gonna do a farmhouse theme bedroom for her, kind of like girly-ish, you know. So I'm gonna put these in her room. I wanted them for downstairs, but I would need at least 4 for downstairs, if not 7. So, because I want downstairs to all match and stuff, so yeah. Next up is this item. I saw it and I was like, I want it for the boys' room. It says, I have no greater joy than to hear that my children walk in truth. 3 John 1:4. So this is going to be in the boys' bedroom. I saw it and I wanted it, and it was $11.99, originally $19.99. So isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's for the boys' room. Next up, we have Jay. J. Hold on. Okay, so next up we have J. 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 It's actually J and J because it's Jason and Jordan's room. So I got these big galvanized J. So it's gonna be J and J over their beds. So their theme is a bit rustic. So I'm doing a bit rustic in their room, and I'm building their bed. So that should be interesting, right? So I saw these beds that I wanted to get them, and they're like $300 a piece. So that's like $600. So, and then the dresser is an additional $400. So I'm like, if I build the headboards, which will cost me no more than $50 to build both, and then buy their dresser from IKEA. I'm gonna get them a black IKEA dresser, like what Madison has, and put that in there. And then I'm gonna do board and batten all around their wall, and then paint the top, I think, gray. And their bedding is gonna be, I think, navy and white stripe. I have it's not I'm working with Betty's. They offered for me to work with them, so I'm gonna be doing Betty's for their beds. So I think I'm gonna go with the blue and white, or maybe gray and white. I'm not sure yet. I haven't chose yet, and I haven't decided if that's what I want to do. And then window treatment and stuff like that. So let me stop rambling. Next up, I got this little flower thingy for, I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna put this guy. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Sorry, I just set that thing where it needs to go. Got this little, I don't know what this is, but look like it belongs in my hair, don't it? Plop it in my hair. I got it for my tier tray because I need some greenery on there. I got these little clips, $1.99. Can you guys see that? $1.99. Originally $8, and these are like the little clips that you use to clip up, you know, drapery. And if you're into that farmhouse style where, you know, everything has to be clipped onto something. So I got a whole bunch. I got 3 of those, because why not? They're $1.99. Last but definitely not least are these things. I bought them. I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to put them right now. So yeah, let me show you guys right now. My vacuum has nowhere to live. Oh, look at that. Look at that. But I think I'm gonna change out the thing, this vase right here. I'm gonna change it out to one of those round clear thingy, because this is swallowing up my, that's swallowing up my thing. But that's where I'm gonna put that. So pretty. So pretty. Good morning, guys. We are in Lowe's right now. My forehead is so shiny. We're in Lowe's getting the stuff together for the twins' room. My not so excited husband right here, picking out the woods, making sure that they are straight. And he got a miter saw. It's on sale, and I'm so excited for that guy, because we won't be, you know, asking Lowe's to cut our lumber anymore. We'll be able to come pick up our lumber and go home and cut it. So I'm excited for that. And this is one of many projects that hubby will be doing for me. Well, I don't really need him to do it, but he's the professional. He does things the way it should be done, but the design and everything comes from moi. So he's the builder. I'm the one that picks out the stuff to be built, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So don't ask me to build anything. It's more him. Someone messaged me on Instagram, want me to build a table. I'm like, there's a problem here. Okay, so we're done choosing our 1x10. So let me get off of here so I can go tend to my cranky husband. Okay guys, so the beds are done. I couldn't really show you guys the process of building these, but they're done. It wasn't a lot of work, but I couldn't stop. So, and then those are their initials that's going over their bed. I want to get this project done in the next week or so, but they look so pretty. They're kind of like distressed because I kind of like beat up the wood. And then let me show you guys these. So this is gonna go on here. I have to spray paint it. Hubby kind of messed it up, but that's gonna go right there. So I'm gonna finish that. I have to poly it and finish this off and get it in their room. But so much project that, you know, we're doing, and I just saved $500 by building those beds ourselves. And hubby invested in the miter saw, so you know he's gonna be building all my furniture, like all of my furniture. So he doesn't know what he done signed himself up for, but next up is crown molding. He's gonna start off in my bathroom. And there's so much floating around in my little head. It's like I have caviar taste with tuna money, you know what I mean? So I have to slow down everything that's in my head with what his budget is. I have to slow it down here to match up his budget, or else we'll be broke. But hey, you know what I mean? It's good when you have a nice taste and you can do it at an affordable cost, because you don't want to go broke trying to live a lavish lifestyle, you know what I mean? So I'm happy that I have a husband that's, you know, able to DIY with me a bulk of our projects. And he's a cooker. Like, he's getting ready. Oh, he's a chef. I'm sorry. So it's 7:12. We just finished the headboards, and we're gonna do dinner. I have to wash up my hands.
Lunch/dinner at church.
Yeah, we went to church because Jaxson had a program. I didn't even record any of that. I was just like, go. But oh, I'm tired. I am tired. I haven't been on social media all day. You guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because if you don't, you just miss all the cool stuff. I post a lot of stories on there on what we're doing, the progress of our house, all of that. I post it on there, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. You get all the up-to-date details of, you know, my boring life. So go follow me on Instagram. TheAlbornozareGrowing, all one word. And yeah, follow our little journey. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this 2-day vlog situation and start fresh tomorrow. I have to put in the subscriber of the week into this video, so I'm gonna go figure out who the subscriber of the week for last week. And holy Batman, I'm gonna show you guys something. Madison,
How many potatoes, Daddy?
what you doing, girl?
What you got?
I know. Where'd you get my cupcake liners from?
Do them all.
How'd you get my cupcake liners?
And then cut them?
Yeah.
What are you doing, baby?
No, Jordan's the cutter for the potatoes.
Okay. I'll put
Are you
them
drinking?
and wash them.
Yeah?
That's fine.
Okay. Yes, baby?
Can
What
I
are you
help
drawing,
mix?
Jordan?
Hmm?
What are you drawing?
Drawing?
Drawing.
The pro wrestling.
Oh, okay.
Whenever I like feel.
So yeah, guys, I got a few, so let's talk about the period, thing. I'm not kind of like embarrassed about it because I feel like, you know, young girls can benefit from the video. Of course, when my daughter gets her period, I'm not gonna come on here and be like, oh, you know, by the way, Destiny got her period. No, I just use Destiny as an example because she's of the age where she would get her period. So I just used her and she was totally down for it. I asked her if she wanted to do it and she said yes. So I just used her as an example so that young girls whose parents are embarrassed or ashamed of having the conversation, that they can be prepared when they do get their period, and they can use the video as a way, as a guide, like, okay, I need to have this with me just in case, because people don't want to talk about it. And it's the thing that gets me, is like, why don't you want to talk about it? It's nothing bad. It's every single woman, every single healthy woman gets their period. Every single healthy woman gets their period. It's nothing embarrassing. It's just something that we all go through. So it's normal. It's totally normal. And we need to take this, you know, stereotype or, you know, taboo off of women and their body. Like, you know what I mean? So anyways, I'm gonna get off of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.